strength yitwazana nshibariye boniriye kimwe munonga because our major players abinji babatari home mupira go mukashesho kutwaruzinga ukato baruho kandi tuhamya ngo twasinga twakugumiza mu cyaka y'icyo mpira ebiri kandi erumunana butwazana ra finals last year tina masuko minji ngo twasinga ugiye kutumuhimbo and confidence kugira ngo twaza kuzana ncyakari nabazana abandi abitwe expecting kuba kuzana jimunonga. Of course being defending champions team zone zikuzana nzija ziri kubarunda kandi ziri kwenda kubasinga. So team zi is queen manyangu kuzana league kandi season ndeze twazanira season kandi tukasinga. So twina masuku minji ngo tuzagaruka tusinge because training hatu ngutu tutandikire kandi twagumiza amabwire bwa playoffs ndukuba twabonire kandi twashira mu tundo tumantu kandi tupeni ngiti chiko recruitingire omuzano we ujapori from Prison Volleyball Club kandi to going to picking abana bakurwa mu secondary because to believe in dream grooming. So we have about 4 students abari mvaka abatuyongireho sumbongera at team strength but equally to want to developing. So turushuwa ngo byaba bazana batana butongiremo baza kutuyamba tongeza mu doctor turho kizana na last season. Marayo.